Sabi ko nga kanina, when you decide to be in a relationship with a breadwinner, you have to be ready for the consequences. Kasi alam mo, ang tao, package yan dumarating. It comes in a package. And he has his good and bad sides. All the time. Even you, kahit ikaw, bilang isang babae na ginusto niya, bago kanya gustuhin, sigurado nakita rin niya yung good side and the downsides, 'di ba? But still, he pursued you. So, ganun din yun. Parang it's the same thing on your end naman. You wanted this guy, diba? Ginusto mo itong lalaking to, sinagot mo itong lalaking to, ginawa mo, minahal mo. So, you also have to accept that there are downsides sa kanyang pagkatao. And of course, work on that together para ma-work out ninyo kung ano yung pwede nyong gawing solusyon dun sa sitwasyon.